Right, I'm walking back. Chairman Meow. He followed me to the shops and back. Oh my god, it's getting cold and I can feel the air in my lungs. Oh my god. I didn't finish the leaves. Look at me. He's not giving up this one. Oh my god. Oh, he got the house before me. Oh my god, I'm the other one somewhere. I can see my breath. I'm heading towards the light. Go to the light. Go to the light. Yeah. Yeah, I see. I see. I see. He's in. He thinks he's going to get something. He's fresh out of luck. Oh my god. So it was a poor hunt today. I know. Sorry. I'm sorry. And I got dinner myself. Nothing with you, I know. There was only one pineapple and a battered sausage, a battered battered masba, which I've never had before. Oh my god. So people talking about the size of my plates. I'm sorry, I haven't got any bigger plates. This is just the stick pie dinner. We've got the curry and the peas. I hope she's got that right. And there's your peas. There's your curry. Look at this here. Oh my god. A battered masba. Have you ever seen anything like it? I've not. I don't know how long it's going to take to stay warm for. The pineapple, the curry. I know, I'm sorry. The steak pie. Oh my god. Well, that wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. What am I going to do? You want my dinner? Oh my god. Well, what he really wants is in here. Really? No. Surely. No. You're just... The picture of you on the picture of it. Oh my god. 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 Oh. You just to get that one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's like a wild animal. See? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Right, so only a large curry now and a large piece, so I'd only put some of that on because that's too much. Well, I could always use that later. Always look at the bright side. Oh my god, look at those peas. Oh my god. Oh my god. Where's the fork? There it is. There it is. Right. So I went down the road to get the special from Kaya Park. Oh, look at that. I've still got some curry left for later. He's enjoying himself. Oh my god, yes. Ooh. You're loving that? Right, so catch you all later.